Hi, Assalamualaikum. Okay, today I will talk about flat foot. Okay, what is flat foot? Flat foot is a person with flat foot has no visible arch in the foot where they stand. Arch formed during early childhood. If arch don't develop or collapse later in life, which means fallen arch. Also, flat foot can occur when the arch don't develop during childhood. It can develop later in life after an injury or from the simple wear and tear stress of age. And flat foot is usually painless. Why? This is if you are not having pain, no treatment is necessary. But however, if flat foot is causing you pain and limiting what you want to do. Also, when people with flat foot stand up, the feet point outward and the entire sole of the feet fall and touch the floor. That means in which the arch on the inside of the feet flatten when pressure is put on them. And here I show to you all for example of the healthy foot and flat foot. And there is two pictures that you all can see that the healthy foot have the arch in the middle in their feet, and the flat foot they are no arch and they are flat overall feet. Okay, I will explain about type of flat foot. Actually, have 4 types of flat foot, and the first one is flexible. That's this one is most common among us, and we can see the arch in the feet when you are not standing, and also the arch disappear when you put weight on the feet. And this flat foot comes on during childhood or the teen years among us, and it will affect both feet and gradually get worse with age. Okay, and the second one is rigid. Rigid, where a person with rigid flat foot has no arch when standing, means putting weight on the feet, or sitting, no weight on the feet. And also this rigid flat foot, where this condition often develops during the teen years and yet worse with age. And this foot may feel painful, and also flat foot may affect one foot or both. Okay, and the third one is adult acquired or fallen arch, where the foot arch unexpectedly drop of collapse, where the fallen arch cause the foot to turn outward and can be painful, and this problem may affect only one foot. And the fourth one or the last one is vertical talus, where some babies have a birth defect or congenital disability that prevent arch from forming in their development, and the talus bone in the ankle is in the wrong position that cause this flat foot among babies. Okay, now I will show to you the pictures of type of flat foot. There are flexible flat foot, rigid flat foot, congenital vertical talus, and also acquired or fallen arch. These are 4 flat foot different arch. Okay, now I will talk about the symptom of flat foot. There are 4 symptoms that we can see among person who has flat foot, and the first one is they are having leg cramps in their life, where they are having painful muscle contraction that can last seconds or minutes, and it will affect our sleep, exercise routine, and general quality of life. And this can worsen our activity and our routine to do physical activities or others activity. And the second symptom is muscle pain, where a person that having this flat foot will having pain in the foot or leg, and it can be short term or chronic. And the symptom also is pain in the arch, ankle, heel, or outside of the foot, because we do walking or running or some activities that may affect the foot. And the fourth one is and also pain when walking or change in your gait. That means how you walk will affect how you're walking. And the last one and the fourth one is toe drift, where from part of the foot and toes point outward. Then it can be painful to a person that having this symptom. Okay, now I will talk about the cause of foot flat. Okay, let me see. Okay, the cause is, the first one is genetic factors, whereas flat foot can pass from parents to children in genes. And the second one is with arch, where it meaning that the arch is visible when a person sits, but the foot flattens onto the ground when they stand. And the third one of cause of flat foot also is damage of the posterior tibial tendon, where the muscle is have contraction and affect the flat foot. And the fourth one is foot and ankle injury will also can affect the flat foot in our life. And the fifth one and the last one is muscle disease or nervous system, such as cerebral palsy, muscular dystrophy or spina bifida. That means muscle disease involve our nervous system in our body. Okay, now I will talk about the treatment of flat foot. What we can do to reduce or to overcome this flat foot is we can use extra wide fit shoes, where if flat foot are causing pain, then supportive well fit shoes can help and can provide relief the painful. And also the treatment that we can do is align their limbs in a way that mean some people with flat foot may automatically align their limbs in a way that prevents symptoms. People who are not experiencing symptoms do not usually require treatment. And the treatment also is custom design arch, where to support or may relieve pressure on the arch and reduce pain if the feet roll too far inward. However, this product only treat the symptoms and do not provide long-lasting benefits. But we can do this treatment to overcome this problem. Okay, that's all for my explanation and my sharing about the flat foot. I hope it will give you all benefits and information about the flat foot. Okay, bye bye. Assalamualaikum.